Guangzhou, the SGAIER TRUSS Company Limited, served for 150 countries already. It is located in Guangzhou, China, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. We specialize in well-known stage, truss, bleachers, barrier, steel structure, etc. We focus on before and after sales service. To create more benefit for clients is our belief. Our products export to all over the world, such as Southeast Asia, Europe, North America, South America, the Middle East region, and also Africa, with flexible payment methods and a variety of official shipping cooperation to reduce customer costs, which help create more benefits for our every customers. This makes our products best sold in foreign countries and by the majority of customers. What's more, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements of customer. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we already have a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries soon. Let's work together to leading every events partner in the world into perfect.
Welcome to SGAIER TRUSS.
Share the case of Clark in the Philippines. $800×800M truss and $800×1500M truss. Arc Secret truss. Very beautiful truss. SGAIER truss case. Can be customized according customer's size.
好，开始。
别掉下来，我跟你讲。
这个速度掉下来没什么问题，
没什么，在里面夹死你，我跟你讲。
这个速度掉下去也马上可以上来啊。
我跟你说，肖师傅，我是凭我的本事，我不发飙不是为谁的，我是想说维护老板那个老干部，他们都是老干部没有了，没有老干部了。
OK 了。
1×2M scissors stage. can adjust the height.